This is the prophet Isaiah, chapter 29, verse 6. Thou shalt be visit of Yahweh of hosts with thunder and with earthquake and great noise and storms of tempest and flame of our fire. Isaiah 28 and verse 2. Behold, Yahweh, the power of Yahweh has a mighty and a strong one, which is as a tempest of hail and destroying storm, as a flood of mighty waters, and they overflowing shall be cast down to the earth with a hand. This is the book of Psalms 18 and verse 7. And then the earth shook and trembled, and the fountains also the hills were moved or shaken because of his wrath. It's the book of 2nd Esdras, chapter 9, and verse 2. Then thou shalt understand as at very same time where the highest will begin to visit the world which he made. 2nd Esdras 9, verse 3. Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars, people of the world. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem Makakadash. And the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and his unbegotten Son, Bahashem, in the name of Mashiach Kabashai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, Lashma Kadash Lotan. And I say Barak Atham to the elders and apostles, wa Akim wa Akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places as of April the 4th, 2025, on this Friday afternoon. And this is from the latest earthquakes from earthquake.usgs.gov. You had a 4.1 earthquake over there in the south of the Fuji Islands, 4.4 earthquake northern mid-Atlantic ridge, 2.9 earthquake 13 kilometers northeast of Pittsburgh, California, 4.7 earthquake 7 kilometers west of Kayusi, Burma of Myanmar, 3.3 earthquake 34 kilometers west of northwest of Ephraim, Alaska, 4.9 earthquake 32 kilometers east of northeast of Dalika, Nepal, 4.0 earthquake 13 kilometers northwest of Haliunan City, Taiwan, 4.8 earthquake 214 kilometers east to southeast of Fangal, Og of Tonga, 2.7 earthquake 36 kilometers northwest of Toya, Texas, 2.8 earthquake 56 kilometers southwest of White Cities, New Mexico, 4.7 earthquake 62 kilometers west of Parliaman, Indonesia, 5.2 earthquake 53 kilometers southeast of Mandong, Papua New Guinea, 3.9 earthquake 121 kilometers southwest of Nikolaski, Alaska, 2.6 earthquake 30 kilometers northwest of Toya, Texas, 2.8 quake 5 kilometers west of Alcolida, Oklahoma, and another 2.9 in the same area 5 kilometers west of Alcolida, Oklahoma, 2.7 earthquake 10 kilometers southeast of Ridgely, Tennessee, 4.8 earthquake south of Panama, 4.6 earthquake 12 kilometers south of Valimo, Papua New Guinea, 5.7 earthquake 93 kilometers west of northwest of Halufo, Tonga, 4.5 earthquake 99 kilometers west of northwest of Halufo, Tonga, 4.4 earthquake 85 kilometers southwest of Balica, Indonesia, 2.5 earthquake 0 kilometers northeast of Indios, Puerto Rico, 4.7 earthquake 23 kilometers south and southeast of Calacap, Indonesia, 2.5 earthquake 31 kilometers northwest of Toya, Texas, 4.0 earthquake 9 kilometers northwest of Gators, California. You had a 2.5 earthquake 54 kilometers northwest of Toya, Texas. So those was the latest earthquakes, and that website, and I believe it was a 5.7 earthquake over there in I forgot what's that, some Samoa. And this is from volcanodiscovery.com as of April the 4th, 2025, and it reads a strong. It says a strong magnitude of a 5.7 earthquake, 93 kilometers of Tonga, of Samoa. It says a strong magnitude of a 5.7 earthquake occurred in the South Pacific Ocean, 114 kilometers, 71 miles from Tonga in the evening of April the 4th, 2025 at 9:01 p.m. local time, GMT plus 13. The quake had a moderate depth of 192 kilometers, 119 miles, and was no felt, or at least not reported so far. And this is second Edges 9 and verse 3. Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and upwards speak the world. Right, so increasing earthquakes and upwards speak the world. It's the book of Luke 21, verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights where sand shall not be from heaven. Right, so those increasing of great earthquakes in diverse places is going to see more and more. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of the latest of the earthquakes in diverse places as of Friday afternoon, April 4th, 2025. So hopefully this was edifying, like I mentioned before. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Hashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Kakadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Bahashem, in the name of Mashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in ancient Paleo Hebrew, Lash Makadash on the tongue. I say Barakatham to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim Wa'akwaf. Until next time, I would say Shalom.